Last mile delivery is critical to today's business needs and will continue to grow 20% annually through 2030. Customer demand for everything from groceries to e-commerce goods and daily business needs is driving the demand for fast, efficient, safe delivery of goods. Safe Fleet's patented FoldPro Shelving boasts a unique design that offers unparalleled durability and flexibility, all while prioritizing safety.
Hi, I'm Mike Griffith, General Manager, Parts, Services, and Aftermarket Solutions with Wabash. FoldPro Shelving by Safe Fleet is an industry-leading product in safety, cargo control, and space efficiency, featuring safe and easy operation, maximum carrying capacity, all while maintaining the highest level of durability. When my customers need a shelving package to help reach their final mile delivery, I recommend FoldPro Shelving by Safe Fleet.
FoldPro's ergonomic one-hand operation is effortless and has a dependable latch mechanism to hold each shelf securely in place, whether open or closed. Installation is quick and easy, and our adjustable shelving flexibility will accommodate any last-mile load. We've reduced driver fatigue by minimizing vibration and noise with our quiet spring retention shelf latch system. And our lightweight aluminum design has increased payload capacity to 400 pounds per shelf.
We believe that Safe Fleet's new FoldPro Shelving is a disruptor in last-mile delivery. I'm happy to be part of the strong partnership with Safe Fleet. They truly are the trusted fleet safety experts.
When it comes to choosing equipment for your business delivery needs, Safe Fleet is the #1 integrated safety platform with over 25 best-in-class safety brands. FoldPro Shelving, the best-in-class solution for last-mile delivery from the trusted fleet safety experts.